Hello YouTube, this is John here with the Weekend Grill. Today we're going to be doing a surf and turf with some grilled lamb chops grilled on the Kamado Joe Big Joe here, paired with a cherry red wine sauce, and we're also going to be making some jumbo shrimp. To start off, we're going to make a quick marinade. For our marinade, we're going to need a quarter of an onion, coarsely chopped, 4 garlic cloves sliced, and we'll be putting everything into a large serving dish. We will also be adding a quarter cup of thyme and a quarter cup of rosemary. For our liquids, we're going to use a quarter cup of orange juice, a tablespoon of red wine vinegar, a quarter cup of avocado oil, and the juice of a whole lemon. I like to salt the lamb chops prior to putting them into the marinade to avoid oversalting. Our marinated lamb chops will go into the fridge for about 4 to 6 hours. About halfway through, I'll flip the lamb chops to make sure we get an even coating of marinade on both sides. For our shrimp marinade, we will need finely chopped garlic, salt, pepper, lemon juice, and a little bit of avocado oil. Now time for our sauce. In a saucepan, we will cook down diced onions, garlic, cherries, with some oil and butter. When the cherries have softened and started to caramelize, we are going to be adding chicken stock, red wine, thyme, and let it reduce until we get a nice coating on the spoon. At this point, we will strain the sauce and add some of the cherries back in, and our sauce is done. Time to eat this bad boy. Oh my god. Tender, juicy. The sauce goes really well with it. The sweet is a nice balance to that lamb flavor. Doesn't come off too strong. It's absolutely amazing. Take another bite here. shrimp. Now this is a Saturday afternoon. Amazing. Oh my god. Okay.
Oh my god, that's so good. Oh my. That's so good. That's so good.
Thank you so much for joining us. The lamb came out absolutely phenomenal. Huge hit. I definitely recommend you guys try it. Let me know what you think or if there's something you would change or add. Also, I appreciate it if you guys subscribe and hit that notification bell down below. Thank you so much. Have a great weekend. All right. How can I mute you?
I know.
Some pork chops with a red wine reduction sauce. Why'd you laugh?
It's not pork.
Greatly appreciate it if you subscribe and hit that bell
Notification.
Also, I'd appreciate it if you guys subscribe and hit that bell notification.
Notification bell.
Also, I appreciate it if you guys subscribe and hit that notification bell down below. Thank you so much. Have a great weekend. You want more?
I want the biggest. I want the biggest.
Here, Liam.
Betty's going first.